Select a song.
Hey guys, I'm Rick. I'm Robin. And we're twins.
And who am I?
Dad.
And what are we gonna do today?
Hatchimals Season 4.
Hey guys, if you want to be entered into our mystery box giveaway contest, you only have to do 4 things. Subscribe right now, turn on post notifications, like this video, and share it with a friend. Let me know in the comments when you're done.
Hey guys, are you ready to open up some Hatchimals? Here we go! Look at this, Ari! Ava! Here's Grace! And what the heck is this? What are these? This is Hatchimal CollEGGtibles! Ooh, Season 4! Oh, that's a translucent one, Ava. Alright, look at this. Guys, this is the Tropical Party Playhouse by Hatchimal and Spin Master. Look at this, guys. That is so cool. And you gotta rub the heart. Look at how cool these are, guys. They're like neon Hatchimals. You want the purple one, Ava? Here's the riddle, guys. There's been an eclipse in Hatchtopia. As the egg moon covered the sun, Hatchtopia has gone dark. But when the lights are out, that's how the Hatchimals show how they shine. With light up heart tummies, fancy accessories, and starry crowns, these Hatchimals are ready to, and we have to solve the riddle there. So the hint to the riddle is, what's Season 4 called? If you know what Season 4 is called, drop it down in the comments right now. We'll answer this riddle at the end of the video.
These Hatchimals are translucent. Light could go right through them. Except this, because this is a solid part. Translucent is different than the solid. Solid, you can't see through solid stuff. You can see through translucent. If you press this one time, it just does one music, 2, 3.
That's like a dance party.
And if you press it again, it stops. And I didn't notice, and Ray, my brother, noticed that this can actually move.
Oh, look at that! It like moves.
And
spin it.
And when you do
spin
this,
it slowly.
When you do this, that lights up.
Ah, this whole thing lights up. That's kind of cool.
Not everything.
And there's a right. Show us this little swing.
It's only.
Oh, that's kind of cool. And Ray, there's a little slide. Can you see if these Hatchimals could slide down?
Oh, look. So look. When you do this, one time I actually pushed one down and it goes like that. But
oh, didn't do it.
That's what I did. You could do this. Right, you should do like it.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah. So.
And there's like a little bridge. Look at that little bridge.
2 lovebirds, get it? They're birds. They're IGHT. That's funny.
Oh, that's a little bridge. Oh, and that's a little microphone up there. This guy has a little microphone.
It is.
Cool.
This thing doesn't stay.
That's
it's
okay.
supposed to be behind.
That's all right.
And here's a stand where one Hatchimal is supposed to be.
Okay, guys, and these are different modes. The first mode is like an ocean mode. Oh no, that's a dance mode. That's the ocean mode. That's like a dream mode. Oh, that's kind of cool. And these different things on top like light up. Let's do it again. Ah, that's the dance mode. That's like the adventure mode. Oh, surfing competition. Oh, that's like some type of happy friendship. This kind of reminds me of the Trolls movie. How about you guys?
Yeah, kind of, because they have all friendship and this is like friendship.
That's kind of like a beach party.
Buzzy, yahoo, buzzy, dance buddy.
Ah, see that lights up. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, that's like
So it's pretty cool, guys. It comes with like a little cabana here, which is like kind of like a little fruit stand. And then, like I said, we also got a palm tree, and the palm tree lights up too. Press that down, and you can move. You can swivel the palm tree top back and forth. And then this is like the featured thing of the entire kit that we got.
It says Hatch Bright.
Yeah, so Hatch Bright. And so each one of these little Hatchimals lights up on this stand and their belly illuminates, which is really, really, really cool. And we'll have to go through a whole nother video and tell you who we actually have, because we uncovered and we opened up a lot of different Hatchimals. So we'll have to like go through all of the names in a different video, because that'll take up a lot of time right now. But that's really cool. So this whole kit is a lot of fun. The girls had a lot of fun with it. The guys are having a lot of fun with it. And it's just a really, overall, really cool kit. So this kit that we got also came with a riddle. Where's that riddle, Ray? All right, let's lay the riddle out right here. Let's check this riddle out. All right, lay it out, flatten it out. Let's see what it says. All right, so let's read. So there's been an eclipse in Hatchtopia. All right, let's read the small fine print right here. Ready? All right. As the egg moon covers the sun, Hatchtopia has gone dark. But when the lights are out, that's how the Hatchimals show how they shine. With light up hearts, tummies, fancy accessories, and starry crowns. These Hatchimals are ready to, and you gotta fill in the blank. So the hint right here, the hint says, what is season 4 called? So if you guys know what season 4 is called, put it down below in the comments. That is going to be the riddle that we need to solve. So what is season 4 called?
Maybe Hatch Bright?
Oh.
Hatch Bright!
Hatch Bright!
They're ready to hatch bright. Like,
that's it.
Like, oh, when they hatch, they glow. Their hearts glow. That's it!
You are so smart, dude.
I think it's awesome.
Think it's awesome?
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notifications bell, and smash that like button. Smash it like peace out. Peace. I mean peace. Peace. Bye.
All right, guys, thanks so much for watching another awesome episode of this crazy family Twiplet world. Make sure you subscribe, click that like button, and post notifications. Drop a comment down below if you want to see more videos like this, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Guys, if you want to be entered into our mystery box giveaway contest, you only have to do 4 things. Subscribe right now, turn on post notifications, like this video, and share it with a friend. Let me know in the comments when you're done.
You